Everyone, this is me again, Mark, and on my other video, I take video of the two bedrooms at the north tower of the one pavilion. This is developed by the Gold Pitch, the Gaisano group of companies, and this particular unit here is about 107.82 square meters, and this one is for sale for only about 15 million pesos, and it's already packaged with the taxes, the miscellaneous fee, and the moving fee. So I like this one because mostly on the latest development of condos here in Cebu, this one is a villa. So maybe you notice outside there are trees outside here. Actually, this unit here is a villa, and you can actually utilize that area outside. You can put greens if you like. And this one is 2 bedrooms, and I will show you inside. And you have here the outdoor. You can go. You can go. Thank you. So I will give you on the first hand. This unit actually is damaged. So maybe you can see there are plastic outside. Actually, this is damaged. Not damaged the structural, but the doors. There are damages on the sliding glass. But you don't have to worry because before we turn over this unit to you, this will be fixed. So everything here will be fixed, and it will be good as brand new. So as you can see, there are things there outside. So yeah. There are damages in this unit, but again, you don't have to worry. There is another unit on the other side that the same this one, but that is already sold and the buyer is already moved in. And the situation of the unit is just the same this one. It's damaged, but before the unit owner moved in, the Gold Pitch make it possible na it will be turned over like good as brand new. So again, this is the 107 square meters and for sale for about only 15.1 million pesos inclusive of the taxes, the moving fee, and miscellaneous fee. Just like this one, the door is already damaged, but again, don't worry because this will be fixed, everything will be fixed before move in, before turnover. And here is your kitchen, and this is the villa of the one pavilion. You know, one pavilion is, it's like, within this building, you have a supermarket on the ground floor and a commercials like restaurants and department store. Actually, there is also a department store here. So, you don't have to worry for your supplies for supermarkets because just go down below and then you will have your supermarkets. And just like this one, as I told you, there are damages. So, you don't have to worry, everything will be fixed before that turnover. And this unit here is same as the unit on the regular unit. Look at the ceiling of this unit is really high, and that's another thing that I like with this unit. So this one is 107 square meters, but if you think that this one is like much expensive to you, or this one if you are looking like much more bigger space, we have a 2 bedrooms here that is only about 6.7, almost 7 million, and it only cost you for about less than 7 million pesos. And 6.7, I mean 6.7 less than 7 million pesos, and it's about only 59 square meters. So it's still big for that price point of 7 million, because mostly if you're going to buy somewhere in Cebu City for your 7 million, maybe you will only get 1 bedroom or worse, the studio. So this one is a 2 bedroom villa. You have a garden outside. You have this high ceiling unit, and you have supermarket, restaurants on the ground floor, and you have like the swimming pools, the gym, and later on I will take it with you. And this one is the regular bedroom, but I will take you here, the main bedroom of this villa. So this main bedroom comes with like a small area here that you can make into maybe closet, and And you have this small area also here that you can make it into your maid's room. And aside from the sliding door on the living area, you have also sliding door here that will connect you going to the outdoor. And maybe you want to utilize the outdoor and you will be moving in here, then you can put cover outside. So that's it. This is the villa of the One Pavilion here in Banawa. And this is developed by the Gold Beach. And this one is for sale for about 15 inclusive of the taxes. And yeah, maybe this one it doesn't look good right now, but I guarantee before moving in, everything will be fixed. Everything will be good as brand new. So I will bring you now to the amenities. Again, if you want a bigger unit, we also have penthouse here, which is really huge. It's 160 square meters, and it's really huge, very affordable for the price point of 23 million pesos plus, inclusive of the tax. And yeah, check my other video on that. So I'll bring you now to the amenities. Thank you. Bye bye.
And this is the tower 1 or the north tower, and this one is the south tower. As you can see, the property management is still doing the repainting, outdoor repainting, exterior repainting. So before, I remember that the painting is already faded, just like that painting paint. But now look at it, it's new. So, and this will be also happen this building. And this is the amenity floor area, and that's the gym, and this is the pool. And you can see there are people, actually they are cleaning the pool. And you have there and I will bring you the other side. And those are the villas, and here the gardens, villas. People are owning that already, so they are cleaning the pool right now. So I remember the last time we bring a client here, and then his concern actually is he likes the unit, but his concern is the exterior because the paint is already faded. And I told him na you don't have to worry because the property management is going to repaint the exterior. And look at what happens now. Actually, they are doing now the works, so it's guaranteed that the developer and the property management will do their works, their best to maintain this building. So look at it now, it really looks brand new. And those are the penthouse above, those are the penthouse level. And also here, this is the first tower and this is the second tower. And yeah, this is the amenity level area, the gym and the pool. And below there is the supermarket. And you have also Jollibee here. Jollibee is also near. You have the Jollibee there. Yeah, the Jollibee is there. Jollibee and Chowking. So everything here is really close. And those are the buildings in Cebu Business Park. And that's the Busay area. And that's the building in Cebu IT Park. And this is the ramp coming from the parking of the One Pavilion. And that's the lobby. That's the lobby. And this is the Banawa Road. And that's the commercials, the restaurants, and the department store is the second floor, and the supermarkets is on the ground floor. And that's the Jollibee and Chowking, the other side Chowking. So that's it.